Weight loss is a tricky journey. Sometimes you find yourself sticking to your daily routine and exercise regime, but sometimes you slip up and eat unhealthy and don't work out for a day or end. Hence, wouldn't it be nice to get some help from nature while you're on it? Join us to discuss some of the popular Ayurvedic medicines for weight loss. Here are some of the top Ayurvedic medicines recommended by an Ayurvedic practitioner for weight loss. Ashokarishta. Ashokarishta is an Ayurvedic medicine that is composed of Ashoka bark and 14 other natural ingredients: kalonji, dhataki flowers, and ginger. Comprises some of these natural ingredients, also known as black cumin. Research suggests that kalonji encourages weight loss in men with obesity. Ashokarishta also detoxifies your body, which facilitates weight loss. How to consume? Take 10 to 15 ml of Ashokarishta syrup twice daily post meal. You can take 2 or 3 sips of water post consuming it. Kada is another concoction made to lose weight. Another Ayurvedic treatment for weight loss that you can use is this kada. It includes spices and Ayurvedic herbs for weight loss that boost your metabolism. The higher your metabolism, more calories you will burn. That is why it's essential to focus on your metabolism when you're trying to lose weight. This Ayurvedic medicine will reduce belly fat. Let us see the ingredients of this. Half teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon cinnamon, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, and quarter teaspoon dry ginger powder. How to consume? Take a glass and put all the ingredients in it. Add hot water and consume. For the best result, take it early in the morning. You can drink this 2 times a day, morning and evening. Next useful medicine is Triphala Churn. Triphala Churn for weight loss is made using Triphala or Triphaladi Churn is another important potent Ayurvedic medicine to lose belly fat. As a traditional herbal preparation, Triphala combines 3 superfruits: Amlaki, Haritaki, and Bibitaki. These fruits flush out toxins and keep your digestive system healthy, and hence help you lose weight. How to consume? Add 1 teaspoon of Triphala Churn to a glass of water. Let it soak overnight. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning. Next is Ashwagandha. Numerous Ayurvedic experts recommend Ashwagandha for weight loss. It is rich in antioxidants aiding weight loss process. Ashwagandha helps boost your immune system, redirecting all your body's energy to fat burning process. How to consume? Pluck a branch of Ashwagandha leaves from Ashwagandha plant. Once you remove all the dirt and wash them properly, dry these leaves in the sun over next 3 to 4 days. Once leaves are dry, grind them into powder. Add half teaspoon of this powder to a cup of warm water or milk. Consume this twice daily. You can also add honey or cardamom to this mixture to help weight loss and increase your metabolism. Drink this first thing in the morning and also in the evening to lose weight. Next one is Vrindi Kavat. Kashayam for weight loss, also known as Vrindi Kavat Kashayam, is a herbal medicine that is no less than liquid gold. It is a decoction or water extraction of multiple herbs. To prepare this extract for obesity treatment in Ayurveda, readily available kitchen spices like cinnamon, pepper, ginger, and tulsi amongst others are used. Pepper is also known to enhance fat metabolism, while ginger possesses anti-obesity properties. This is readily available in market and you can buy them and consume it. How to take? Take 20 to 40 ml of this decoction before you every meal. For best results, take it twice a day. You can also take it as a syrup. In a nutshell, how effective is Ayurvedic medicine for weight loss? Even though Ayurvedic medicine have been around for a long time, they are not approved by FDA. Severe cases of obesity or weight loss management may require allopathic medicine intervention. For easily treatable weight loss issues, Ayurvedic solutions are best for a course of action. Are Ayurvedic medicines safe? Yes, they are safe. These medicines are concoction or derived from nature, hence they have no side effects and One must only be cautious to see whether they are allergic to any ingredient. Which Ayurvedic treatment is best for weight loss? Every individual is different and unique. When an Ayurvedic treatment for weight loss is recommended, the dominant dosha in the body causing problem is signed out. Hence, it's best to visit an Ayurvedic practitioner and expert to determine whether which Ayurvedic treatment for weight loss is best for you. This video is just made to give an insight into the weight loss medicines available in Ayurveda. There are many more options available which suits you better. So today you can just go to any Ayurvedic practitioner to find out the best suitable weight loss medicine for you. Hope you found this video useful. Want to see more such health related video? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.